Hello, my name's Erwin Rothenberg, and today we will present a discussion about the importance of quality performance for wave testing. As efforts intensify to reduce medical errors, improve healthcare quality, and increase patient safety, there's a renewed focus on how to better monitor wave testing. After all, since 1988, the number of CLIA-approved wave tests has increased from 8 to 120. Technology has facilitated this growth through the development of ever-increasing numbers of test systems that have been approved for the performance of these 120 tests. These test systems now number over 1,400. As the number of approved analytes for wave testing has increased, the potential for serious impacts on healthcare has also increased. Think of the consequences of incorrect protimes, erroneous pregnancy test results, wrong glucose values, wrong electrolyte levels, and HIV screens that give inaccurate results related to patient care. The concern is usually not about the kits or instruments themselves, but about the human factor. We must ask ourselves, is the testing staff adequately trained and competent to perform the testing as required by the manufacturer? Is quality control monitored and corrective action taken if needed before patient results are reported? Are reagents and specimens properly stored? And finally, who is supervising the staff? Now, studies have shown that a higher level of quality concerns in waived-only laboratories were noted in randomly surveyed waived laboratories. These included the lack of available written procedures, the lack of personnel training and competency assessments, and environmental issues such as storage conditions. Qualified oversight of the testing process and personnel competency do make a difference. This is a consequence of the fact that facilities performing only wave tests have no routine CLIA oversight and no personnel requirements. To ensure quality wave testing, it is recommended that prior to performing new wave tests, the employee should undergo the same thorough training as required for learning non-wave testing. The training should include reviews of current product package inserts to ensure adherence to all manufacturing requirements and recommendations made. Review the procedures for positive patient identification and specimen labeling. Specimen, step-by-step performance of the test. The proper handling and storage of reagents and supplies. The performance and documentation of quality control. Also, make sure to have a procedure for when quality control results are not as expected. Of course, the challenge now is how do we convince all 150,000 testing sites employing wave testing to adopt these good laboratory practices? Thank you very much for your time.